how to fix screen recording not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're struggling with your iPhone screen recording feature not working, you're in the right place. Today we'll tackle the common issues and provide you with simple solutions to get your screen recording back on track. First things first, let's make sure the screen recording is enabled in a control center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and press and hold on the empty space. Then tap on Add a control. Now look for screen recording option and then you can see two concentric circles. Tap on it. So that is the screen recording option. However, if screen recording is still not working, the next step is to check your power mode. So for that, you'll need to open up the settings and then you'll need to go to battery. Now here, if your low power mode is enabled, then toggle it off. Sometimes turning off low power mode might also be the issue for screen recording not working. Still having issues, then come back and then go to your screen time and then scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. And then under App Store Media, Web and Games, scroll down and then you will need to make sure that screen recording is enabled. So you'll find it under Game Center, tap on screen recording and then make sure it is set to allow. And those are some of the steps. Now another thing is the screen recording might not be working is because of low storage space. So you might also need to free up your storage space if your storage is full. And if everything else fails, you can try to force restart the device by quickly pressing on the volume up button and the power button at the same time. So sometimes restarting your device will also help you fix this issue. I hope one of the solution helps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.